Fire's getting some true. Why couldn't you do that earlier? Alright, Dan.
Look at this, I'm getting both of them. 1, 2 here.
1, 2?
Joe, are you up next? Oh no, you can't be.
No, get
See, I was going to get 1, 2, 3.
Get a look at the feet. Look at the feet. He's got cleats now.
I know. I was actually going to tell you that earlier.
A little dusty, because it's dusty
There
over
we
here.
go, yeah.
It's alright. Again, I wondered myself where the pop in the valve was last year. I get increasingly angry as the season goes on. There'll come a point where I snap in the playoffs and call out on everything. Got you out.
You were. Sorry, buddy.
There you go.
Oh. Back to back there.
Oh. Come on, Gary, you gotta scoop that.
Good try, good try. Oh boy.
The first unofficial triple play in league history.
Joe got one earlier this year.
Really?
Yeah. A legit
Of course
play.
Joe did.
Of course he did. See, where were you for that one?
Of course Joe did. He didn't get one for us, but that's
I
okay.
have to get a single out.
That's...
Go. Dan, you should have got that one.
For those keeping track at home, that's why it's 21. We can't complain.
Oh, I know. We got mercy
We
this
were
morning.
20-0 after 2.
It just happens.
Just once in a while you lay a big egg. Yeah, just jacking shots like he's nothing. Hey.